Hi there! In this lecture, we will discuss the business model you can adopt if you want to sell your online courses or your software online. But before we begin, let me give you a small tip. A lot of people prepare an online course. They price it between $47 and $1,997, and they go on Facebook trying to sell it. If you are targeting cold audience, which means people who don't know you, it's almost impossible to make them buy an online course with a price like that. You will definitely lose money if you do this. What you should do first is to warm up your audience. Let them see multiple content of yours and then try to sell them. For example, you can invite people to a webinar. Make them watch the webinar and at the end, try to sell them your product with your bonuses. Another business model consists of getting your visitors' emails in exchange for an ebook or a free online course, and then send them a lot of emails so they can know you more and trust you more, and then try to sell them your product. Another business model that worked very well with one of my clients is first to sell a very valuable product for $7 only. Then, once the prospects bought it, we have put several upsells and downsells in order to increase the average cart value. Selling only the front-end product was not enough. Our cost per purchase was around $23 and we were getting only $7. Because of the upsells and downsells, we reached an average cart value of $34. So each time we injected $23 in Facebook, we got $34 in return. Just to sum up, in this lecture, we have learned 3 business models we can use in order to sell our courses or our software online. First one, using the webinar. Second one, using email marketing. And third one, by selling a product under $10 and then putting a lot of upsells and downsells. You can also mix the 3 strategies for maximum results. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. See you in the next one.